So, guys, sorry for late, but I'm on the time. I wake up at 6 o'clock, then I check out the hotel, rent a Rapido, and go to Chennai Central to pick the parcel. After picking the parcel, I come to the Chennai Egmore. It's a Chennai Egmore station. We are getting at that. Let me give a view so I can show you. And, from here, Chennai Egmore, I have to go to the Madurai. Where I have to fix a ATM machine. I thought the train is on the platform. I didn't have to wait for it. But it shows platform number 9. And I have to go to the platform number 4. Look. No, Dada. You know, guys, the train will come at 1 p.m. And the time shows 9:10. So 10, 11, 12, 1, approx 4 hours I have to wait for. And that's the center, the station of Chennai Egmore. By the way, check out the weather, yaar. Too cloudy. Feels so good. And I have to wait 4 hours. There is and waiting areas of first class and second class. But you know, it feels like a different place when all people are just staring you without a reason. You didn't feel good. Yesterday I was there from Villupuram to Chennai Egmore. I came here with a train. I post a previous video about it. Above all, let's go to the waiting area and see how much people are there and how they are treating and being. No, Dada. Okay. So let's go to the waiting area of second class. I will put a camera like that so you can see the whole station. And you know that decorate are completely using metal. No, Dada. Just look at the pillar and focus there. It maybe look like a concrete, but it's all metal. All a metal. Give me a few seconds. I will show you the waiting area of second class. How it looks like on the inside. The trains are a little bit smaller from ours because the track length is, I thought, less. Yeah, it's look like the track has a very less gap. Like there is a 2 gauges, na? One is for the north and another is for south. And I will show you the engine. It's also look like a little bit smaller. Sorry, it's too much sound. And they are still using the old kind of engines. Like they didn't have a recent technology. I'm not saying that they have an Vande Bharat kind of train, but still they are using this train and narrow tracks. You can compare from the now how much narrow the track is. So I'm going to zoom and saw you the narrowness of the track. And that is an old locomotive of Kaveri Fields. Rather very beautiful station. Let's go and wait in the waiting area. And I will show you what are the facilities they are providing at a cost of free. because most of the workers who are cleaning are women. So that's the second class waiting area. There are washrooms and a charging area. And there is a one more charging area. So bro, it's tea time. Nice. Just front of the railway station. And here it is. It's look like the little bit of Char Bagh. You see now? Okay, fall it off. I can be set 2 hours in a mute mode. Can't with that. So I took the few snacks from that canteen, and it will be totally belong to the taste of South India. And it's a bitter broad chips which we call Karela chips. And then that it's pepper thadai. Let's try this. Left in the sidai. And one last thing is that it's a morning organic energy bar. Let's try it one by one and give it to the whole dude. See bro, they are using two comfortable seats in the waiting areas, and it has a charging port as well, and a bottle and cup holder. Nice. First I saw you the first class waiting room area, and now the second class waiting room area. It just have a little bit different of seats and air conditioner. Else everything is just like same, and the conditions of bathroom are a little bit different. There no smell, the door was closed, but it was too clean, and here everything was just okay. Now we are again going to the first class because there was too smelly and noisy. I didn't like it. So here is the first class, and let's see the difference between them. Hindi and English. Yeah. Paisa 35. 35. 1 hour. 1 घंटे का 35. Okay. Okay. Do it for 1 hour more. The train was delayed. Okay. 786 041 6963. Yeah. Varun Tiwari. You did it VT last time. VT, yes. Varun Tiwari. Name. Yeah. Just 1 hour. T for tiger. Yeah. Yeah. 1 hour. 1%. I will do it online. So I am in previous time when checking was there is a charging option, but here I have to share with later now. That's how it looks like. Let's see the difference between the both classes. So I just out from the waiting area, and there the train is waiting. And I didn't have any reservation, so I go to the trains unreserved berth. Let's see how much seats are vacant there. About Egmore. A lot of people are there now. They are coming from different places to just came from here. let's see where it is. D3, the chair car. Then it will. It's D4. I thought that is an end of the train. And that there is an engine. That isn't the last generator or luggage room. That may be back. It is on the app. I can see from there. What's the fucking train is here? Someone is calling. I didn't maybe it affect the quality of the video. D8. How many birds they are added to it? There is a one basic thing, huh? Whenever I took the train, it takes me approx 22 or more than 20 birds are attached. D9? There is an unreserved berth. I didn't have a reservation. The train will. The initiated station is that, and the station is Madurai. Where should I have to go? So, if I get a seat, it will be mine. According to the crowd, I didn't think so. There are too many chair cars in it. The chair car and ask him if he have any vacant chair so he can give it to me. Else I have to find a place in this. That is for the women. Okay, go to the chair car. Ask him if there is any vacant chair. Okay, I will let you know. Chairs vacant, and in rotational I can travel the distance from here to there because one of them in among may be empty. So let's just call the Chennai Egmore. Let's go back to that station. Let's wait for the owner who reserved it or the TT who will give me the seat. It's just like
भाई अभी घंटा रहेगा, कॉफ़ी के नाम पे मुझे काली चाय पिला दिया और कह रहा है कॉफ़ी। अंधेरा हो रहा पहुँच रहा हूँ स्टेशन से। So my journey mates are still start jobbing. So maybe the station is near. So that first one is there. So I'm in Madurai and my train has just arrived. I went there to see something else is there. That's the ending of the station. Just like our Gomtinaka station, there is nothing at the point B. So we have to see something point A. This is the last station. बाय द वे यहाँ मिल्की मिस्ट चलता है, जैसे अपने अमूल चलता है ज्ञान हो, यहाँ मिल्की मिस्ट चलता है। Meenakshi temple. Hey, I heard about it, Meenakshi temple. Okay, I will let the continue from the room. So that's it. It's continuous renovating now. I think approximately take 3 to 5 years. And here is the. I will look at it. We just meet in a train. I don't know why the poor child got punished. Okay, so first priority is that we have to find an hotel. Then food. Then sleep. Tomorrow I have to go to fix a fucking ATM. So I thought that location I will find. Then the room. Okay, let's try to this one. I thought they have an vacant room. Whether room are available for a single person?
रूम नहीं है, डॉर्मेटरी टाइप, शेयरिंग बेसिस.
Sharing basis. चलेगा.
8 bed 1 room. 8 bed 1 room है, शेयरिंग.
ओके, तो चलेगा.
Bathroom common है.
चलेगा. सब चलेगा. Can I see the dormitory first?
B room.
D.
Bathroom basis.
Okay. The D. Oh, B. Okay, so only one people are there, na?
Only 4 people is there. Only upper bed is vacant.
Okay. It's okay. And what's the charge?
12 hours 350, 24 hours 500.
Okay. Just 12 hours. Tomorrow morning, I will check it out. So, I took the dormitory banquet. There's a lot of bed. This one. Just a 12 hour. So, let's go and find something to eat, like dosa and something heavy. The main thing is that now I have to find the shop. Let's see. So that's the name. The price tags. You can check it out. That's not too expensive. If you are a single person for 12 hours, and if you are doing the 14 hours, it's just 500. And for 12 hours, it's only 350. So go to the nearby market to find anything which can be a dinner. I will come to it later. That's it. But you know, it's not. But it's not feel like I'm a different state. Because 100% things are just no 99% things are the same. Yeah, only 1% which is the clothing until you talk to anyone. It's just the clothing. Oh, they love their buses, yaar. Look how they decorate. You know, I don't know the way, but I just start walking. Let's see what's our destiny. Oh, I hate that kind of van, cash vans. Because whenever I do work in it, na, my both hands get dirty like I'm a daily wages labor. That's why I hate it. And ATM is good. Yeah, only you got few cuts on your wrist, else nothing happens to you. Oh, beer bar. I didn't want to drink here. Oh, sorry, I didn't drink. Okay, approx 400 kilometers. Approx 400 kilometers I walked, but there is hotels, shops, not even a small shop. Sabri Parks. Did you hear? Say the name. Sabri's Park. The same Sabri, our Ramayana. I mean, came. Now they came in front of me. They might be thinking about my bag. Where it is. Oh, airstrip. That's a kind of good residence. At my left, I didn't show it because you know I just started vlogging. Na? I sometimes I feel like little bit embarrassing. I have to be recognized with that people tree. We'll go through that, na? And the hotel is Villas. I think I have to got a sleeper or a new shoes. God is now so vast. By the way, we are in a market. Very gorgeous market. Friends, the Victorious board are there. Something kinds of government building. Okay, let's go and find the dosa point. Okay. Am I selling sweet corns? Or do you want something heavy? So here they cook dosa delight. The same outlet in our city, Delights. So it means they have a lot of franchisees. Can I find a little sweet good restaurant of dosa? There is, but non-veg. I'm okay with it, but not now. Because I see the sign there. And over the sign is written hello. And that's shit. I'm not going to eat a single spoon of grain there. So, Liberty. Yeah, it's work. Someone has called me. Because I'm too indulged in the video, I didn't listen the tune. So there is a market of things. If we want food, we have to go that way again. I think I have to bet on the Bata because it will last long. But above all, Sparks is good. Since 5 hours I am wearing this boot and there is not a single scratch on it except the dirt. So I'm trying to convey few things like belt, wallet and shoes required heavy money. One time investment. Then wear and enjoy. I love the fast food system here. They didn't eat fast food like things. They just eat fruits, corn, and matri. They call it patri here. I had a packet. I didn't eat it. I will show you. I keep it for you. I feel a little bit hungry during my journey, but I keep it for you. I will show you, then I will eat it. And with a review, I will eat it. I'm able to find a small good shop of dosa, sambar and South Indian. And here it is, the hotel Annavada non-veg. But above all, there is no sign of halal. To me, it belongs to Sanatani. Yeah, it is. So I find a hotel and I order something from that menu, but I will not show you because few relatives are also doing the video on it. That's why. So I'm waiting for my dinner and just back to hotel and have a sleep. Tomorrow morning I have to go to fix the ATM and I will show you how to did it. Oh, so it's look like that. Curry. Okay, a little bit. So that's it look like. So start it. Too flavorful. I will show you the way how to eat it. Take a little bit of curry, just mash it with the rice. Then it will show you the real flavors of spices. But you know, bro, dinner was done, but I changed water continuously from that state to that state. That's why my appetite was completely die. I just eat 2 or 3 bites and my stomach feel like full. So I bring a Pepsi, but still I didn't feel. I feel like full. So I'm going back to my room and just trying to sleep and let's see the ATM in the morning. Okay, so that's for it. Meet you tomorrow. But don't go anywhere. I will show you my room. Then you can. So I'm in our room again, and here is a PowerPoint too. It's just different from our bunker bed. And here is a mirror. You can see your beautiful friend. Sorry, handsome friend. Handsome friends. Okay, bro.